How to download Elden Ring PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to get yourself your very own Elden Ring, you will have to launch your Steam on your PC. Over here, in order to search and download for your Elden Ring, scroll to the very top until you find the option of the search bar. In the search option, search for Elden Ring. Tap on the edition that you want to purchase and download for your PC. As it is not age appropriate, firstly verify your age. After which, in order to purchase for your very own PC, scroll down. Now you can check out for various of edition, then just select on add to cart of the edition that you find more interesting for you. So select on add to cart. Tap on view my cart option. Select on your Elden Ring, then tap on continue to payment. After which, select a payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date and your security code along with the billing information. And that is how you download your Elden Ring on your PC. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.